you guys, what is up? So today I have yet another very large thrift haul. So we're going to jump right on in and show you what I got, starting with some really cool shoes. I picked up 2 pairs of shoes and they are both pretty freaking awesome. I don't consider myself to be a very yee type of person. But I do really like that sort of more Western inspired style. So I did pick up this pair of, they're definitely not like real cowboy boots. They are definitely for like aesthetic purposes only. They are just this black leather booty, basically, boot, whatever you want to call it, with this cool little Western sort of stitch work at the bottom. And then it's got this suede and leather fringe on the boots. This pair of shoes is stunning. I love these boots. They fit so well. Another girl had them in her hands and then she put them back on the shelf and immediately I scooped them up and I was like, I'm trying these on. These are so cute. When festivals become a thing again, I will be rocking those, I assume, the entire weekend. Like, they are so comfortable. The next pair of shoes that I got, and the final pair of shoes, if I'm not mistaken, were kind of a little more outlandish. And when I say outlandish, I just mean the shape of them. So I'm not a huge fan of this sort of duckbill shaped squared off toe, but I did really like these booties. They again reminded me of something Zara would sell, and basically if Zara would sell it, then I buy it. That's pretty much my motto. But these are just really neat little shoes. They are genuine leather, man-made sole, made in Brazil, which is pretty neat. They are a size 9 and they are just like a tiny bit big. They're by the brand Hillard and Hanson Casual. I don't know, I just really liked these, even with sort of the ensemble I have today, where it's like this cute little graphic tee, this like shaggy cardigan, and then these could make a really cute little 70s inspired outfit. It's sort of a more unconventional toe shape. I really like that, and I like that I'm sort of starting to branch out, and again, these were just so comfortable that I bought them. I figured they're a nice walking boot, especially for this time of year. They're really nice, so I'm gonna get those sprayed with my protective spray and wear them all season long, basically. The next thing I picked up, this is a size medium and it is just another slip skirt. I picked up, it's this really fun sort of purpley beigey taupey color, again just like sort of that mauve, and then it's got this like really beautiful cream lace at the bottom, and I bought it purely because I really liked the contrasting colors. I felt like this was a really unique slip skirt now that I actually have kind of built up a collection of slip skirts that I actually really like. I thought this one was really cute. It's nice, very dainty, which I don't love a ton of like dainty fashion. It's not really my forte. I prefer a more edgy, like alternative type of style for myself. But if I am going to wear something like this, I think with a big cozy sweater, that is so cute. Or you can edge this up with like a really sick graphic tee, or even like I've seen people pair these like really dainty slip skirt type things with graphic hoodies, and I think that is a really cool look, like if it's a similar color palette, so that's something to look into. This one, okay, you guys are either gonna love this or hate this. This is definitely a weird one, but I saw it and I immediately was like, Zara? And then I grabbed it and I saw it was actually vintage, and I was like, this looks so stupid and like high end. Like I feel like you would see this paired with like a sweater vest over it, a jacket over that, another vest that's like glittery. Like you would see them all paired together on the runway, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna wear it. It is by the brand David Brett. I don't know if that's like a big name brand, but I just know it's a vintage sort of sweater. It is a short sleeve top, but it's made out of sweater material, and it's got, I don't know if you could tell, it's got all these weird little fringies on it, and clearly I like weird little fringies, as you can see by my outfit today, but it's just like so neat, so weird. I don't know, I loved it. It's all over the sweater, it's on the back too. I love that it was short sleeved, which makes this great for layering. I liked the cut of the top. I thought that was pretty unique. It's like a v-neck. It's like a v-neck t-shirt, but it's a sweater. I don't know. It's so weird and cool. It's literally stunning. I can imagine this with a leather jacket and some leather pants. Ooh, that's gonna be so cute. I love this. Or even like those like leather look leggings, or like my liquid latex leggings. That would be so cute with this. Okay, so I picked up a couple short sleeve sweaters in this haul, so I'm gonna just go ahead and show you all of them because I did pick them up all on the same day. And I think in my head I have been watching The Nanny over again, so I have Fran Drescher just living rent-free in my head. So I picked up this sweater, and I think that if it were tighter, it would definitely look like something Fran would wear. It's by the brand Lisa Originals, or Lisa Originals, and it is this embellished, sparkly leopard print turtleneck, mock neck situation. I adore this so much. I literally, there's nothing wrong with it. It's got these like beaded leopard spots on the front. The beading doesn't go anywhere else. It's like literally just in a line down the front. But it's so like random. Like I don't know why they beaded it because it's already so shimmery. It's like this really cool shimmery fabric. I love the tones they used for the leopard print. It's like a cool tone leopard, which I feel like we don't see very often. And I just thought, again, with like leather leggings and a leather jacket, this would be so sexy. Or I have a red leather trench coat that I thrifted, and I think that would be really gorgeous with this, just like with a red lip. Come on, that is stunning. Stunning. This is another sort of Fran inspired piece by the brand Sag Harbor. This one is just I don't see a ton of this, but again, it was something that I bought and I was like, Fran would wear that and also Zara would sell that. So if it's got that combo, it's a double whammy and I'm gonna buy it. So it was just this short sleeve. Again, it's like this sweatery material. It's sort of like this acrylic. I wouldn't wear this in the summer because of the material that it is, but it's just a zebra print gray and black sweater t-shirt. I don't know, these are just so cute. I think this would be really cute cropped too, so if I get tired of wearing it like tucked in, I'm definitely gonna crop this one just because it is so freaking cute. But I just really liked this. It's so soft. I think it's acrylic, but it feels like it's just so soft. I love it so much. But I liked the colors. I liked that it wasn't white and black. I liked that they went for this more muted pattern. I think that was so modern of them, even though it's by that vintage brand. And I don't know, I loved this so much. Again, I am such a fan of leather pants, you guys. I think they make any outfit look like it costs $1 million, even though, you know, you could have gotten those leggings at like Forever 21. You know what I mean? Like, they just classes up an outfit so much and makes it look so much more expensive and edgy and so much more stylish, I think, than just wearing a regular pair of leggings. They feel the same and they look, in my opinion, so much infinitely better that I love pairing things like that with them because it looks like you put so much more effort in than you did, and at the same time it looks effortless, like you just threw it on and are just like a fashion god, you know what I mean? So something like that I think is so handy. And again, for the layering purposes during the season, I think the short sleeve is really nice. Also, I think a short sleeve sweater is really nice because a lot of people have their heat on in the Midwest, or a lot of businesses do. So if you are like going grocery shopping, I know when I go grocery shopping, my staple is a t-shirt under a cardigan or under a jacket, because I know when I walk into that store, it's going to be boiling hot because they crank the heat, obviously, for the employees who have to stay there, or the employees like bringing the carts back in who are freezing cold. Like, they keep the store really warm for them. And personally, I get hot so easily, so I'm taking my stuff off the minute I walk in the door. From Liz Claiborne. You guys know, if you thrift, Liz Claiborne comes in clutch all the time. So this is just a really fun, again, very Zara inspired piece. I really like this sweater. Again, no fun neck or anything like that, but it doesn't really need it. Just a regular neckline. And then it's got one sleeve covered in these sort of, it's a black and white zebra print again. I'm really into the animal prints the last couple years, but I liked it because it has this sort of diagonal pattern, and it's on the back too. How fun is that? I liked it. I like things like this because they're, again, really basic, but also Something about the pattern of this just seems so high-end to me. I know Liz Claiborne's not like a big brand. It's a big brand, but not like, it's not Gucci, you know what I mean? Like this would probably be sold at like Sears or something back in the day. And I love this type of pattern and this type of garment so much. So that one's going to be a stunner, darling, at the grocery store, which is the only place I go. So as far as bottoms go, I did get a ton of denim, but I don't know if any of it fits. So we're gonna go through them very quickly. This is by the brand Route 66, and they are just sort of like a mom short, very basic light wash denim. The only thing I picked up this haul was light wash denim, so this part's really boring. I'm not gonna go into this, but I don't have like a nice mom jean type of jean. No, not jean, short. So I wanted to pick up some denim shorts just to see if they could work for me. I might distress them, I might not. I haven't decided yet because I haven't tried anything on yet. So again, I don't know if it fits except for the shoes, because I did try the shoes on in the store because I had socks on. I'm not nasty. And then I got another pair of shorts. I do plan on making these shorter like the other ones. Not as short, but just a little bit shorter. And I think these might be a little too big for me. Again, I'm really not sure with denim whenever I pick it up. The waist does look big though, but at the same time, I've gained weight, so like, I don't know. It has no brand name, which I thought was, oh no, it does. Gitano? I don't know. I truly don't know. It has no inside tag, which is so weird to me. Definitely old. They are sort of, I think these might actually be men's, which might be why the waist is confusing to me, because they do have like these big old room for these thighs, which I know it's gonna fit in the thigh. I know it's too big in the thigh, but I don't know about the waist. I don't know. We'll have to see and try. But again, I just really liked the wash. I thought this could be a fun pair to DIY because I love making my own shorts. I love making my own shorts purely because I find when I buy shorts from like a retail store, they either show my butt cheeks or they are just like way too long. But this just made me think of like all those influencers who wear, I'm just going to show you, they're by the brand Outfit JPR Pure Linen. So it's 100% linen, and I have a linen blazer. It's not in the same color, but I have always wanted a pair of linen pants, and now I have a pair. They're just this gorgeous sort of like taupey beige color. I love these so much. They're full-length trousers. They're a nice waistline. They are sort of, they have a zipper on the side, but I like the tailoring at the back. I love these little stitches going down at the butt area. And I really loved these. These do need to be ironed, but I don't know, they are just stunning to me, and they were literally $1. These were $1 for pure 100% linen pants. Honestly, if I ever find anything and it's linen or silk, I buy it, because I don't care if I have to chop this up and turn it into napkins. I'm going to use it for the rest of my life. Like, linen is one of those materials that when bought new is so expensive, but at the thrift store, for some reason, they always price it super low, and I don't know why they do that, because like the thrift store tends to know, like, at least mine do, like if it's like a good brand or like a good material, they'll like mark it up so high. But things like linen and silk are always dirt cheap at the thrift store, and I have no idea why, because buying it new is so expensive. I'm not complaining. I'm thrilled because those were $1, but I don't understand how the thrift store and its mind performs. That was my massive thrift haul. This is going to be a nightmare to edit, and I still have to do the try-on portion, so good luck to me, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed some of these pieces. Again, I love talking to you guys, so let me know what your favorite piece was or what your favorite thrifted piece was this year. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay well until then. Bye!